Hola, welcome to Fan for Spanish Materials. In today's videos, we are gonna learn the articles in Spanish. The articles the in English. Um, so in English, the works for every single word. You can say the door, the doors, plural. You can say the woman, the man. So in English, the article the is very versatile. Uh, you don't really mind if it's a masculine or feminine or if it's a thing. That works for everything in English. But in Spanish, it's a little bit different. So we have to use it differently depending on the gender and also depending on if it's singular or plural. So our articles for the masculine gender, for the masculine words, are going to be el and los. El is going to be for singular and los is going to be for plural. And on the feminine part, we have la and las. It's the for feminine singular, la, and las is for feminine plural. So these are the four articles we have. These are divided into genders and into singular and plural. If you learn these four articles, you are going to be really, really fine. You're going to do fine later on because we're going to start building some sentences with these articles. Um, just to see example, el gato, yeah. El gato is going to be the cat, and los gatos, the cats, the cats. So the first one is singular, el gato, and los gatos, as you can see, we add an s here also to the noun. So exactly like in English, the cat, the cats. All right. If we have a look at the females here, la paloma, paloma is a pigeon. La paloma is a feminine word. Yeah, therefore it's la paloma if you want to say the pigeon. And the pigeons is going to be las palomas. Okay. Um, that's how this thing works. For articles. Um, let's have a look at some more examples. Here, I want to show you. Do you remember these words we saw before when we said that there are two genders in the Spanish words, nouns also called? Let's have a look at these words, but now with articles. So um, for the masculines, we have a techo, the ceiling. So el techo is the ceiling, el perro, the dog, el suelo, the floor, el apartamento, the apartment, el piano, the piano, los teléfonos, the telephones. We have plural here, los platos, the plates, los cuadernos, the notebooks, los micrófonos, the microphones. And for the feminine part, we have la mesa, the table, la guitarra, the guitar, la batería, the battery or the drum kit, la cocina, the kitchen, las casas, the houses, las puertas, the doors, las ventanas, the windows, las montañas, the mountains, and la madera, the wood. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. And remember, we have masculine and we have the el and los. Yeah, el for singular, los for plural. And we have for feminine, we have la for singular and las for plural. Yeah. And to remember that we add this s at the end when it's plural the same way we do it in English. So that would be for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. And yeah, thanks for watching. Hasta luego.